Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I'm to Mama Ann home ground. I'm come here to visit her so that I can get the important thing from here. How Mama Ann is growing chick. That is it, guys. I will show you how chick is being growed like that. See, guys, chicks eating. You can see over there is egg. You can see over there is some fresh egg there.
Then this one, they are purpose, they call it mbolera.
Yeah, it's fertilizer.
Fertilizers. Now if you want fertilizer, Mama Annie give you.
Yeah.
You buy.
You buy.
And you go, you put in your things.
Mostly this fertilizer is working well in like kales. Yeah, like kales, cabbages, swagger there. Yeah, that is it, guys.
Wow.
Can I help you? You can. Thank you so much for giving me a chance.
Oh, now they are quiet. They can't be.
You can see my arm there. It's correct. She's collecting the eggs, guys. This is water tank. That's the water tank. I think Mama Ann, you sell even this, the fertilizer.
This one, I'm dumping them somewhere out. The shamba. When they dry up, we use as fertilizer.
Oh, it's okay. It's recording.
Okay.
You can touch in the screenshot. There, yes.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Yeah.
So I see Sever, you are very happy.
I'm very happy. This is what I like.
And
this is
yeah,
what
it's good idea. I love it also.
I put it. Is it correct like this?
It's okay.
Yeah, like this.
It's really
Opportunities.
Yes.
Like this.
Okay.
Not done.
So you are very
This
happy.
one is new, it's hot.
Really?
Yeah.
It's what?
Yeah.
I think I can eat those eggs. Also, they talk for me. So, Brenda, you have eaten us. I eat them. They talk.
This is my company. Imagine.
So, Mama Ann, Mama Ann,
Yes,
Mama Ann, when you done there, you will come here. Will give us the best one.
You give us a full story.
A full story. How did you start it? How did you come with the ideas?
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to ask you questions.
Yeah.
So don't worry.
I think Mama Ann will answer everything.
Yes.
Because from the starting point up to the end, he have the procedures. Yeah. That's it,
And I
guys.
know I'm going to give idea for the Seville. Some idea I'm going to give. Yes, my house. Yes, my
Vaccinate.
Today we are here.
Vaccinate.
Let's come.
Sevilla is picking the eggs.
Let Mama Ann employ you.
No. Yeah, she has already employed me.
You love it?
You have already got unemployed.
That's outside there.
Yes.
She has already.
Me also.
You can see
also
how
Mama Ann
Sevilla is
have
picking the
my
eggs,
own
guys.
kind of
Eh?
I have this and I have mine. So the time I will come, I will do mine.
Okay.
We learn, we do so
I
many
also
things.
have a daughter.
Oh,
She's Grace. You will have to
You can see. How many crates is that?
You can turn the other side.
Like this?
Try, yes.
Like this?
Yes.
so far you have to correct that one. Three.
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 And the eggs,
They are just still.
there are still many over there.
Huh? There are plenty. Darling, there are plenty.
Wow. have it. You see here, Mama Ann, you have a lot of content.
Yeah.
Let's
Thank
show
you.
Mama,
people.
you said you have a daughter.
Yes.
And also a
She's a
YouTuber.
YouTuber.
But me, I don't know.
Yeah.
Give her a shout out. Name?
She Grace.
She Grace.
Yes.
Shilo.
Grace.
She Grace.
Shiro.
Yes. Shiro.
Shiro
She's
or
a
she?
YouTuber.
She Grace. It's
She.
Okay.
S-H-E-E. Grace.
Oh, double E.
Yes.
Okay.
She
We look for her. Guys, you can go there also and check our sister. She's making also content there. I'm going to check out also.
Can see how they are picking the eggs, guys.
Darling. I think this time like this.
Yes, that's it.
I am learning.
You're learning.
Learn.
You must learn this. Yeah, it's finished.
That's it, guys. That's how things are moving here in our village, guys.
So today we came to the
So
source.
many people here, they're coming
Where
up
they get eggs from?
with their
You need that?
living standard.
Yeah.
This is the living standard of Mama
Very nice.
Ann,
I am amazed.
which she have chosen to
Guys,
live.
hope you are learning
That is it,
something.
guys. That's we came here to learn something that how
Never even known you.
to
Always we pass there, we buy 2 plates
do
there.
things here, guys.
Do you know
That's
we
it.
buy 600?
So, guys, definitely, guys, that is it. I came here to learn how to grow poetry. Once I will start mine at home there, guys, even I can start growing chick from even 50 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 2,000, up to 10,000. That's my dream, guys. I will grow chick. I must do it. That's it, guys. Support me, guys. I will do it. That's it, guys.
Did you see how they make the chicken?
We start collecting eggs.
Now,
We bought this chicken at 5 months age.
5 months age.
Yes. Now, this is the 6th month. And you see we can collect that much.
6 months.
Which means some of them are
It
not.
means the big hen that I see like that
This
is
the first
chicken
month.
man.
But
6
in
month
this month you collected
chick. Hey.
how many days? 6 days.
I mean 6 sprays.
This one.
As from
1, 2,
as from
3,
January.
4, 5. This one.
Yes.
You started this month to collect?
And every day I get like 6 sprays.
Oh, every single day. That's what I wanted.
I get 6 sprays.
But, but before, how long have you been working doing this job?
With this one. This chicken, I bought them at when they are big, like this size. I didn't start when from the sheep.
Okay.
No, I bought them big at this.
When they are big like this. All of them.
All of them.
How many are they making?
250,
250.
56.
256 chick. Guys, hey, so many.
Okay.
This cage can hold 256.
Yes, look at this. And now I want to see how you got water here.
Honey, you have a lot of questions to ask Mama.
Yeah.
I want you when you're
You
done
want
there.
to finish and they come out.
When you have piped water, maybe a tank, we are supposed to put a tank outside there so that we can just be opening and the water comes through there to fill all this.
By now you just
By now I do it manually. Yes, I just put add water to the maximum level. This level.
This is the level under.
210.
What if you put the extra?
You see this? I has been measured up to that level. We don't go beyond that because of this.
Okay.
Yes.
So it goes from here to those steps.
No, this one is for
It
this
means that
lower
trap
one.
is the
And
limit.
this one serves this pipe. You see this one for this pipe. This one, there is a pipe.
This one for this.
Yes.
Okay.
And every time you add water, you have to test the nipples.
How do that?
You just come and test whether there is
To see if they are coming out.
At times,
Like this one, that's what?
not enough. If there's no water, I'll have to add first, then we open.
This one.
We open the nipple so that
But you can check the other one.
for the air to circulate through it. You see, there's no water here. You see how they need water.
But you have already put. One more.
You see it has blocked. You have to open. You see there's no water. After the air comes out, you bring back this. So that you can add water here.
Now what is it?
So that you can do. If still there's no water, which means there's still not. You have to test each nipple so that you make sure.
Project for chicken. Yeah. Now you have told me you started which year?
Yes, December
This month?
last year. If you want to buy them this way, you just buy that for laying.
Why did you decide to buy like this instead
It's
of buying
hectic
small?
if you buy the chicks. You feed, only feeding, you don't get anything.
Oh, it
Just
will take
feed, take time.
Take
And
time to
money.
start laying.
So even me, if I want to rear, I just buy big.
Bring the big ones.
Which are
big one.
almost.
If you
to
bring
lay.
the big ones, you start earning.
Yeah. Guys, and this is the company.
Imagine care.
This is the company. So for today, I am officially.
We have.
These are the
We
blessings.
also do farming.
Have you ever done before?
We've got farms
this one,
that we plant maize and other things. As you can see, the dragon fruit.
Take us around,
No,
Mama
before
Ann.
we got there,
Yes.
I wanted to ask this one, this business. Did you have you ever done before, or is the first
No,
time?
I just started.
So where did you get the ideas, Mama
This is
Ann?
the first time.
Like how did you get the idea to start laying the chicken?
I started learning through the company. There's this
You were employed
chick.
there?
No. You go to the. I do it online.
Oh, you did online.
Online.
You went and you Googled.
Then I applied.
You applied.
You applied for the chicken. You have to
Mama Ann,
apply.
talk when you are facing me.
You apply for this chicken so that you pay and they are being brought. They have a van, they bring to you.
You applied.
And
you
everything, the
pay.
items. They said everything.
These cages, you have to pay. This is another company for the cages.
Let me ask you. All these things that the way they are put like this, it is the company that comes and put.
Yeah, another
For you?
company for cages.
They do for you.
In Kenya, we have cages and a different company that can come and put after they install the cages. Then
They
now,
tell you that bring your chicken.
yeah, now you bring the chicken.
So, but later they cannot come and these are now yours.
They are yours. The
Nobody's
cages are
come
yours.
to-
No one.
But the company
This
is yours.
Yes, my son has this company. Yes.
So
So,
I-
we are employed there.
So I
I'm
think
also
it's
an
even
employee.
your son is the one who gave you a spiritual motivation.
Yes,
to start.
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So will you tell us if we are, like how much did you start with?
Yeah, that's the question that I was coming.
For the cages, you need, for these are double cage. When you need a double cage,
Double
like
cage
this,
means what?
there are two.
This side and that side.
No, double cage means you see in the middle there is a connection. There is a connection.
At the middle.
Look at the middle part. There is a connection. That's one cage,
That's one cage.
which has
But-
both sides.
Okay.
Yeah, one cage. If you only want this one, you can have
1 kg.
one cage.
If you want 2 kg,
That's they come and
they
connect.
do for you. It depends on your income.
Yeah, yes.
So you can start with any
One,
money you have.
You can start with one cage, which has double sides, or two. I started with two.
Okay.
So
Then
that
you went
then-
and you are increasing.
Then I had to increase.
So you need to have cash,
You need to have cash.
approximately.
For this, every
No,
single
for like this.
that is maybe 80,000.
Okay, let's say 100,000 can work.
100 is too much. Just 80,000 for the cages. Or maybe 100, because you'd have first prepared this.
This one,
This
you
one
the
you can-
house of the
This
children.
one even can cost.
Yeah, the structure has to cost you. Because you have to put
This
the
one
land.
These are different
cost you,
costs.
around
It's a
25.
different cost. Maybe 100 and something.
Just
Yeah.
doing this one, the house of
Yeah,
the
the
chicken.
house and bringing in the cages. Then after that, you purchase this chicken. 700 per piece.
For one chicken, 700.
Kenyan shillings.
By now you said 250.
256.
So, Mama Anne, which question do you have? We have a younger
Young
people
generation.
there. They said they don't have a job. What advice do you give them?
They can start. It's not a matter that you have to put the cages. You can even do free range. You bring in the chicken, just a few. It's not a matter that you bring all this. You start with even 50. You still collect eggs because they are ready to lay. You bring the ready ones.
So our mom also said is doing farming. Can we move at least to see other things here?
I see it.
I'm
So this is what they call dragon fruit.
Yeah, these are the seedlings.
Darling, do you know dragon fruit?
See, they have varieties.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know. What
Even
about
they
those
are
ones? They are
written
the
by the
Belgian.
names. This
Okay.
is the white.
My brother.
They have got different varieties. We've got white ones, red ones,
What are they used for?
purple.
Purple.
After they mature, they make fruits.
Those fruits
And
are
the one
the
that is inside the basins with what?
Check online, you'll see the dragon fruit.
Okay.
What are they? I'm seeing something in the basin. What is that?
That's for chicken.
That one is for chicken.
It's a chicken I'm doing. It's called Azola.
So guys, today we are here.
But for today, you see, you bought eggs and they give you.
I think you know what we have not given here. That's
It's your number, your
this one has gone off.
So we need to get the time. Maybe you are free.
So that
which
people
one
can contact you direct.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Which time you are free, you say we
You
come.
come.
Hakuna hata wazungu wanataka hii kazi kufanyika.
Nzuri. Nzuri tu.
Guys, I have here my friends. You can see one of my friend here is
I will
eating
be
the guavas.
Brendan.
Yeah.
I'm eating guavas. It's very surprising.
Now you don't want me to eat one. Oh.
Oh.
This one, I want this. Guys, this one is my girlfriend here, my wife. I say my girlfriend or I say my wife.
Your wife, this
Yeah.
guava, they're coming, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. My wife here was longing to have this guava.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, she has gotten, she's feeling happy. I know.
She have so many here.
She has
Men,
been-
for
She
me.
has been telling me about guavas every single time.
Even
Eventually-
here in the market, I never find it, but I find it from here.
Yeah.
Thank God to our brother here.
So my name is Severin Man.
Yeah.
I am also a content creator. You can go and check me out.
Yeah.
I do very amazing videos. We are enjoying, guys. Use these guavas.
Enjoy today.
We got it direct from the tree.
Yeah.
Mm.
This fresh.
My name is Koye Rumi Brenda from Uganda. I'm here to Nyamakazi.
Yeah, that is my friend, guys. I take them out here to take some eggs
But
from
we
Mama
bumped
Ann.
into this place.
Yeah. This is a place that I was usually come here before. Even this fence, we are the one who put up there.
So your home is near here?
Yeah, around there here.
Mm-hmm.
That's it, guys.
Well,
Keep watching.
hi.
I will show you amazing.